There's this old line in politics, where you stand depends on where you sit. Translation, Democrats and Republicans see things very differently, including, it turns out, how they see Barack Obama. Here's a Thursday evening headline from the Huffington Post's website. Obama rebuffs Democratic plea to be more forceful. This is after the president met with congressional Democrats at the White House. They wanted him to dial up the rhetoric against the GOP, to stop being such a namby-pamby. And here's what's so interesting about that. The Dems visited on Thursday, but the congressional Republicans had been there on Wednesday, and their complaint? Obama was being too hard on them. No, really. They said he was mischaracterizing their budget proposals, that he was demagoguing their plans for overhauling Medicare, calling it a voucher program, for instance. It's not a voucher program, they say. It's a premium support program. Oh. See, people don't like things called voucher programs. Apparently, it reminds them that there won't actually be enough money to go around, that in this case, more and more of the health care burden will fall on the shoulders of people less and less able to pay for it, which is a pretty fair summary of what Paul Ryan's Medicare plan would do if it ever became law. But that voucher label the president keeps putting on it, he's distorting our position, they say. He's not being fair. That sound you hear is the pot calling the kettle black. Or do you think that portraying Barack Obama as a Kenyan socialist pushing job-killing bailouts and grandma-killing death panels was all just good, clean fun? Oh. Here's the Republicans' problem in a nutshell. They had certain expectations about the guy in the Oval Office. They thought they could say anything about him and he wouldn't push back. They thought they could say anything, no matter how ridiculous or inflammatory, about his policies and his programs, and he wouldn't get down in the mud with them. They thought he was their punching bag. Turns out he's a counterpuncher, and there's some sting in those fists. Somebody needs to tell the Democrats.